Are you stumped on gift ideas for that makeup lover in your life? Make sure you keep watching this video today to learn my top 5 gift ideas under $50 that you guys can grab from Sephora this year. For makeup shopping made simple, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single Saturday. If you guys hit that bell icon thing, you guys will get notified every single time I upload. Being a makeup artist and a beauty guru for the last 5 years, I shop at Sephora a ton around this time of year, not only for myself, but also for my family and my friends. And trust me, I know the top gifts to get them every single year that I know that they will not be sad to get underneath the Christmas tree. If you guys are looking to give a skincare gift this year and you definitely want the most bang for your buck, I highly recommend the Mer Trial Kits. So there are 2 different type of kits that you guys can grab up. The first one is a pore trial kit, which this one is great for anyone that has more normal to even combination or oily skin. And then there's the hydrating kit, which is great for anyone that has more even normal to really dry or a little bit more sensitive skin. This kit is the best choice for them. I myself actually purchased the pore trial kit towards the beginning of 2018, and since I've used up a lot of the trial products and have since purchased a lot of the full-size products myself, Laneige in general is an amazing skincare brand. I love that they cater to really all skin types under the sun through their water science technology, which I'm going to link down below for you guys if you want to do some initial research on what that technology is and how it will work for your skin type. I know either one of these kits will be an amazing gift idea to give that person in your life that loves skincare or just wants to improve their skincare routine this Christmas. I think we can all safely agree that there is nothing worse than having chapped, bleeding, awful lips over the winter time. And what sucks even more is when you go and try to put nice lipstick on it, it looks terrible because you never actually took the time to take care of your lips in the first place. So this year I finally jumped on the bandwagon and purchased my own fresh sugar lip balms, and I absolutely love them so much. So these not only keep my lips super hydrated throughout the day, but a majority of the colors are extremely pretty. They have this really pretty subtle tint to them, so they're great for everyday wear. So I wanted to recommend to you guys the Fresh Sugar Sweet Case Holiday Set this year. It actually comes with 2 full sizes of these lip tints right here, which is in Sugar Bloom and also Sugar Rose. Plus it also comes with a lip scrub that'll actually help you exfoliate those super dry lips so that when you put on lip products, it don't look bad. Truly, I don't think there's any makeup or beauty lover in your life that wouldn't love to get a convenient set like this one. The lip balms are incredible quality. They smell amazing. I love the tints on most of them, and you could get a nice variety in such a small and affordable pack. And honestly, that lip scrub is a huge bonus for helping you exfoliate those chapped lips this year. If there's any palette that just stood out for me this year as just a great overall palette, it is definitely the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. So this palette is honestly perfect for anyone that's looking for those everyday neutrals, but this palette is also great if you're looking for shades that really could take a daytime look and elevate it for nighttime as well. I have clients ask me on a pretty regular basis how they could take daytime looks and transform them for nighttime. It's all about the palette, and honestly this palette is a great addition if that's what you're looking for. So the matte shades in this palette are super blendable, buttery and soft, and go on extremely pigmented. And the metallic shades are just the same, extremely foiled, pigmented, metallic. They can be used either wet or dry. This palette in general is just my go-to. When I don't know what to do with my eyes, I go to this palette. I've packed it so many times for traveling. It's just kind of an all-inclusive, I don't need to pack any other palette in my suitcase kind of palette, because it's just, you have everything. You have neutrals, you have metallics, you have your black, you have your white cream shade, you have highlights, you have mattes, you have so much dimension that you could create in one palette. It's just the perfect overall all-around palette for anyone in your life. And please do not make the same mistake that I almost did at first and really kind of just decide, oh, this is just a boring neutral palette. Do I really need to add it to my collection? It's an absolute must. It's one of my favorite palettes in my collection. Even though it's an everyday neutral palette, this palette will work for every single person. Truly, it's an amazing palette that you guys will definitely want to grab up for that special someone, especially if they don't have it yet. So one of my favorite gifts to recommend around this time of year is definitely blush palettes. For that makeup lover or that beauty lover in your life, you really cannot go wrong with it, especially if they're kind of like in a rut and just using the same colors over and over again. This will definitely give them a little bit more variety. So the ones I chose this year as my recommendations would definitely be the Sephora contour and blush palettes. I love them because they have such great variety for all skin tones. They have one that's suited for more fair to medium skin tones and one that's great for more medium to deeper skin tones. And that's what I think is so essential with blush palettes is you need colors that will suit every single person on your list this year. All the shades are buttery smooth, so soft, so beautiful, and you really get a great value for having 6 pans in one palette. And trust me, there are single pan blushes that you can purchase that are even more expensive than getting 6 in this palette. And as I mentioned just a moment ago, gifting someone a palette like this not only gives them tons of variety, but it gives them like creativity and freedom to explore the shades, to create their own unique shades by mixing and matching some together. So really, you cannot go wrong with getting them a palette like this that's super affordable, but also amazing quality. I cannot stress enough that blush is so important for bringing your face to life, especially in the wintertime when your skin looks dead and dull and lifeless. So these palettes here I think are a great value and a great variety that literally will mesh and go well with most skin tones. And worst comes to worst, if none of those other suggestions work, you can always give someone a perfume sampler set.
Okay guys, so in the research process I kind of messed up a little bit. This sampler pack I'm about to talk about is a little bit more expensive than the $50 budget of the rest of this video, so I apologize guys, but it is well worth it. So now on to regular detailed message.
I love gift sets like this because it allows you to try a variety of Sephora's best-selling perfumes without having to actually buy the full-size product to try it out. So some of my favorites in the specific holiday kit this year would definitely be the Chloe perfume, YSL Black Opium, as well as My Burberry are all amazing choices. Best part, if they like any of these samples, there is a coupon on the inside of the box that allows you to redeem it for a full-size perfume from Sephora. So, I mean, can you really beat that? Not only do you get a variety of samples, but then you get to redeem it for a full-size product. So I really think that that in general is hard to beat. And what's great as well is Sephora also offers a variety of other sample packs as well. You don't have to just get the holiday pack. They have a bunch of different options for you, as well as some that are even a little bit more affordable. They're only $25 or so, which those come, I believe, with the coupon to redeem for a rollerball instead of a full-size bottle. Even though fragrance in general is more of a personal choice and a personal shopping thing, I think getting a variety pack for someone will probably hit one of those bases for you, and it's awesome because you get that coupon to redeem for a product in the end. So I feel like it's an overall win-win situation, and I think it's an amazing gift idea this year. So now you guys know my top 5 gift ideas for that beauty lover in your life. But at this point, do you need more options when you go shopping? That is why I've compiled the ultimate holiday shopping list for you guys this year that compiles my top 5 products in a bunch of different budget categories, so you guys can actually pick and choose per your budget what you want to gift to somebody this year from Sephora. Make sure you guys check out the link down in the description box below so you guys can download your freebie Ultimate Sephora Gift Giving Guide for 2018. And make sure you guys stay tuned for next week's video, which is very exciting because I'm going to be doing my top 5 gift guide under 50 now for Ulta. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up down below. You guys know what to do. You know the shtick. Subscribe to my channel for new videos every Saturday, and make sure you guys share this video with your family and friends, especially if you guys need to give them a little hint as to what you want to see under your Christmas tree this year. Also, leave me a comment down below with hashtag giftingmadesimple if this guide helped you out in any way, shape, or form. So guys, with that, I will catch up with you guys in next week's video. Thank you again so much for watching. Bye everyone.